So I'm Mike with Ware Landscaping, and we are at a customer's house that we're going to do a French drain for and also do an underground well in this area. But they bought the house during the winter. They have 4 dogs. You can see all the paw marks, and it's just been an absolute mess for them ever since they bought the house. They have lots of sitting water. They have this gorgeous house, and their backyard is pretty much completely unusable. And then this over here is basically a giant cesspool, and I would strongly encourage anyone to never do something like this because it's just a mess all year round. And what you can do to avoid this is you do an underground well system. This would actually take up about it's 20 by 30 feet and it's 4 feet deep. And what you could do is you could put a well right in the middle, and then a French drain running all the way through here, all the way through here, all the way through here, with the well in the middle. So you have the structure, and then that's gonna meet the city requirements with what they want. And then you do a release over here. You usually have to pop it up about 10 feet from the property line because that's what most villages require. But what they did is they made a berm here. So this basically turns into a giant fishbowl in their backyard. And you can see, like, they have this gorgeous, beautiful house, but then their backyard is an absolute mess. But instead of leaving it with rock over it, like, it really discourage anyone from ever doing the rock over this, because it makes your yard unusable. And then you can even see all the native plants. And if you have dogs, like, it's not the way to go. But if you do the well and you do all the gravel with a French drain leading into it and then out to drain, you can put about 4 to 6 inches of topsoil on top of it, and then grade this. And you'll have a few collection basins in there too, but you'll be able to cover it with sod, and then you won't even know that this is in here. And then the grading is also really important too, to where it's all gonna grade and flow downhill like it's supposed to. But just wanted to point this out on what not to do with a makeshift pond in your backyard, and not to do this when trying to solve your drainage. I'm really excited to get this all fixed for them.